Vendor inventory of a kit. To add a kit to your inventory is easy. Simply commence typing the name you will call the kit. You will also need to select if this kit will be a sub-item to another item. If you intend to stock the kit in more than one location, you can enter it into the system just as you would any other item. You will also enter the cost of the item into the system, as well as a description and the retail price. We highly recommend that you manage your income account as an income from sales account. Your next step will be to select the items which will be used to make this kit. So in the future, when you buy or sell a kit, the system will automatically create the transaction without you having to do a thing.